This is Anna Maria Chen from CorporateProfile.com with our corporate profile of LabStyle Innovations, ticker DRIO. LabStyle Innovations develops cutting-edge technology that can transform your smartphone into a laboratory testing platform. Today, LabStyle Innovations Executive Chairman, Dr. Oren Fuerst, is joining us to talk about Dario, the company's first application, which is a smartphone-based diabetes management system.
LabStyle Innovation is a software and medical devices company focused on diabetes management. We have an end-to-end solution from monitoring to therapy, providing both an online application as well as cloud-based services, as well as a glucose monitoring device that connects to your smartphone that just got approval in the European market. And it's called Dario. It's a great device that we're going to be launching initially as an application in the European market in December. And soon it's going to be available to be downloaded on the App Store. And early next year, you're going to see it as a device as well, pretty much revolutionizing the way people are measuring their glucose level throughout the continent in Europe, later on in the United States and worldwide. So what makes it unique? Dario is the first time that actually a company looked at the entire diabetes space and the entire information flow, the entire value chain, and try to address it from a patient standpoint. So starting from the monitoring side, we looked at the diabetes kit, the diabetes diagnostic kit, and we completely altered it. We eliminated completely the need for the lancing device, a separate lancing device, a vial, and a glucometer by creating an all-in-one device called Dario that has all of these components, ingredients in one piece, all connected to a smartphone. And we added to that a completely innovative, intuitive, user-friendly user interface in the form of an app. And then cloud-based services with reminders, alerts, social features, and so on, dosing, insulin dosing calculators, and so on. That's on the data management components. And then we added dashboards for clinicians and insurance companies. That's on the provider side. So we completely changed the value chain of the diabetes landscape by looking at the information flow, by looking at the value chain of the caregivers, by looking at the value chain from a patient standpoint. And this is the first time that actually someone took the initiative to look at the entire end-to-end solution rather than looking piecemeal at each one of the value chains. So Dario is going to be launching in phases. So we're doing a soft launch of the product starting in this December. We're launching the software to be available, to be downloaded on the App Store in Europe. It's going to be available to any glucometer or any user, any diabetic in Europe this December 8th. And to be followed by a soft launch in Europe for the device and the application. Later on, it's going to be available pending regulatory approvals also in the States in next year, 2014, and then throughout the world.
If you want to learn more about LabStyle Innovations and Dario, you can visit the company's website at mydario.com.